You know, years ago, I used to roll my eyes at all this new technology farms were using. But boy, it didn't take long for me to realize just how vital all that data is to agriculture.
We live on a water planet, but in practice, fresh water can be a finite resource. These same farmers that are responsible for the food that reaches your plate have been fighting an increasingly uphill battle, and that's water resources.
I've been farming for 31 years, and I take the business of getting what we grow to consumers' kitchens very seriously. My nephews just started farming and running things, and my biggest concern for their future is that we're going to need to grow more with less. Over the years, I've seen hotter days with less rain, so agriculture has to figure out how to get as much per drop of water as we can.
When there's not enough precipitation getting to fields, farmers need to irrigate their crops with outsourced water from reservoirs, canals, or groundwater. And to properly manage all of those resources, it takes data. A series of satellites called Landsat provides data on surface water, while NASA's GRACE missions observe groundwater. And GPM keeps a close eye on rain, snow, droughts, and floods.
Data is the key. If we can measure it, we can quantify it, we can solve it.
Together, NASA's missions and satellites are powering solutions through open data like OpenET.
To grow a crop of corn in the drought, it takes 90 days of pumping water from the Ogallala Aquifer at 30,000 gallons an hour. To put that into perspective, we're using enough water to fill 98 Olympic-sized swimming pools. But with NASA water management data, I can go online, I can see when I'm over or under applying, and that's extremely important when you're saving 5 million gallons of water.
Water is a finite resource on Earth, and our mission at NASA is to understand how it's changed in the past, observe the present, and forecast the future.